Whoiskingshawn is live.
YouTube, what's up? It's Whoiskingshawn, and we're back again with another banger. I got a quick video today on the pre-approval Gemini XRP card. It's a MasterCard backed by WebBank. People, I'm always getting questions. People asking me, how can I start off as a new investor? I'm young, just got out of high school, or I'm in college. I want to start investing my money. Where can I go? Now, the crazy part about it, we all know I have a lot of credit cards, but my daily card is this card right here. This is the American Express Gold Card. Earn 4 to 5% cash back on every dollar I spent, depending on what I'm purchasing. But this is my everyday card, people. I gained back a lot of reward points. You know, I think about a year and a half ago, I showed you I had 1.7 million reward points, and I finally cashed it out, and it was all worth it. But again, if you're gonna be doing purchases every day, going out to eat, filling up your gas, anything you're purchasing, get a great card that could give you some good reward points. Now, the credit card on the screen, as you see right here, this is the Gemini card. You know, the Gemini card been out for a long time. I think I might have did a video probably about two and a half years ago on this card. Now, this card, I wasn't a big fan of it, but I did do an overall review on it. Now, I'm gonna let you know, we all know I got about 35 plus credit cards on the personal and on the business side. And I'm considering and actually getting this credit card. Now, they got two versions. They got the ones for all those, the XRPs. If you know about XRPs, I'll do a full breakdown on video for that if you would like. And they have the Bitcoin card, which is right here, as you see, is the orange card, where if you're new in investing, you could, swipe that card every day and start gaining some Bitcoin, some XRP, some Cardanas. It's so many different coins out there in the crypto space. You need to start learning about these different ones, but it's a great way to start investing. You won't get no reward points, but you will gain some Bitcoin, some XRP, some Dogecoin, so many different cryptocurrency out there. They got a list once you sign up, but to even be considered for this card, just to let you know, you could do a pre-approval, but you will have to download the app, fill out the questionnaire, and then move forward, and then you'll be able to apply for this card, right? So for all those that's knowing you're thinking about investing, like for me, I got 2 other brokerage accounts that I actually use besides, the main one that I use every day. But I'm thinking about getting this card and just start swiping it for the next year or 2 and really just start getting some free cryptocurrency. Now, this card has no annual fee, so you don't have to worry about that. What kind of credit score you might be saying that you're gonna need? You're gonna need at least a 690 credit score or higher, people. They are backed by WebBank, so they are a little lenient. So if you do come through maybe with a 675, 670, you might could get in the door, but you won't get a high limit. But again, for the past week, I've been really considering applying for this credit card. If I do apply for it, I'm gonna do a whole nother video and break it all down. I'm gonna show you how I'm using it in my everyday use and gaining free crypto, because I'm letting you know now, in the next 4 to 5 years, by 2030, all those prices that you're seeing right now is gonna triple and quadruple. So you're seeing Bitcoin right now, probably sitting at about a 119 right now from last time I checked. That might be $250,000. That might be 300,000. These prices, again, they're gonna jump. So what I'm doing, I'm loading it up on my other platforms. But I'm thinking about getting this card. But again, if I get it, I'm gonna keep y'all updated, and I'm gonna show you how I could gain so much crypto just by using it every day. Now, just to let you know, the APR rate is that high, 29%, which is really high. So you don't want to obviously carry a balance every month. You just want to use it for your everyday. The same way you're going to be using your checking account every day, use this card and pay it right back. That's what I do with my gold card. I use it as soon as I use it. I go right on my app and I'll pay it right back with the money in your checking account. You're not gaining no money. You're not gaining nothing off of having it in your checking account, but get it on this card and you can gain yourself some crypto. Again, keep in mind, the next 4 to 5 years, crypto is gonna triple and quadruple the price. Now, I'm not gonna be your financial advisor But when it comes to investing, let's just get that straight. I'm just going to take you through my journey and how I am growing my different brokerage accounts, right? So with this card, again, 4% cash back on gas, EV charge, ride share, which is really good. A lot of people are using ride shares. Go ahead and keep using it. Filling up your gas, you get 3% back on dining, eating out, and then you get 2% on groceries, and then you'll get 1% back on everything else, which is really good. Just to keep in mind. And the good thing about this, I will have to say, let me scroll right down here. You get a $200. You get $200 right here in crypto, whatever one that you pick. Once you sign up, $200 in crypto, right? Once you spend at least $3,000 in the first 90 days. So I love that. You know, when it comes to these bonuses and I get these credit cards, I jump right on it. And again, those no annual fees will be really good. So it's something to think about. If you're thinking about a credit card and you're thinking about investing, this might be the card for you. Now, I'm gonna get ahead when I jump off this video and I'm gonna do a little bit more research, and I'm probably gonna get the card and I'm gonna do the full breakdown once I have the card. Again, APR, keep in mind, is high, no annual fee. Go ahead and get that crypto by swiping that card every single day on your daily purchase, which is really good. So again, man, I want to see everybody win. Me overall, the original card that they had, I wasn't a big fan of it, but by them, this is the original card right here. And again, by them coming up with this was a great, I have to say, one of the best marketing move that they did, because a lot of people that's, you know, don't know anything about investing or want to get into investing, this is the credit card for you, man. So again, just try to keep away from carrying balances every month because that APR rate is high. And again, let me know what you think. Get in the comments. Peace.